Do not let your morning meal become mundane, when it takes merely 5 minutes to craft a masterpiece from the humble staples already resting in your refrigerator. Dish 1. The golden egg and cheese triangle sandwich. We begin by taking 2 pristine slices of sandwich bread and carving them diagonally with a sharp knife to form 4 elegant triangles. Mirror this technique with 2 luscious slices of cheese. Next, crack 2 farm-fresh eggs into a ceramic bowl, awakening their flavors with a delicate whisper of fine sea salt and freshly cracked black pepper. With a whisk, blend them with rhythmic grace into a luminous, fluid gold. Warming a skillet over the heat, introduce a gentle drizzle of oil, utilizing a culinary brush to paint the surface with a glistening, even veil. Now, gracefully arrange the 4 bread triangles in the pan, slowly pouring the golden egg mixture until it completely covers the bread. A vital culinary secret: maintain a mere whisper of a flame during this process. This allows the eggs to cook with deliberate slowness, preserving their silken texture without a hint of char. Once the underside achieves a magnificent golden brown crust, expertly flip the entire canvas. Crown the surface with your 4 cheese triangles, painting them with a vibrant touch of ketchup and a silken ribbon of mayonnaise. Finally, fold the masterpiece in half to forge 1 grand, pillowy triangle. Slice through the center, and behold, the mesmerizing, endless stretch of molten cheese. It is an irresistible invitation to indulge. This exquisite triangular sandwich is crafted with astonishing speed, yet remains profoundly nourishing, does it not? If ketchup does not capture your heart, do you possess a soulmate sauce of your own to accompany this creation? Leave a comment below and share your culinary wisdom with us. Dish 2. The stuffed sausage and bread crust rolled egg. Our culinary journey continues, for we possess yet another breathtaking method to transform the humble loaf. This time, take 2 pristine slices of bread, meticulously carving away the soft interior to retain only the structural square crust. Take savory sausage and slice it into elegant, bite-sized rounds. We return to our familiar alchemy crack. 2 farm-fresh eggs into a bowl, seasoning with fine sea salt and cracked pepper before whisking them into perfect harmony. Warm your skillet, brushing it with a fine mist of oil. Place the 2 bread frames into the shimmering pan, carefully arranging the sausage rounds to beautifully mosaic the space within each crust. Following this, slowly pour the golden egg mixture until it completely envelops the savory sausage. Allow the base to set into a tender firmness before executing a graceful flip. Next, drape a luscious slice of cheese over each square, finishing with an artful drizzle of mayonnaise and ketchup. With your spatula, expertly fold one side over, bringing the 2 halves into a loving embrace. Finally, simply cover the pan for a fleeting moment, allowing the gently trapped heat to coax the cheese into a glorious, complete melt. A pillowy crust, robust sausage, and decadently rich cheese. Serve this morning feast to your little ones, and watch as every crumb vanishes from their plates,